and today we are going to show you how to make some tangled cute characters. Like this. And this little girl looks like a fairy. This is an elephant and an alien. So the type of paper you need to use are, you have to use papers like these, a little flexible, and the inside should be white so we can draw characters here. You should not use very hard papers like this because it is difficult to cut. The things required are the cover paper of books, color pencils and sketch pens, clear tape and scissors. So now let's get started. So I already drew some pictures like this and all, and now I'm going to draw new ones. Okay, so it's like just a circle face, or you can draw a semicircle. I'm drawing a circle face. It's very fun to draw it, like just like I said in the starting. You can draw some kind of face, and then you can draw any type of hairstyle. Like you can draw pop star hairstyle, and any type of dress also. And I like drawing this. Okay, so I finished drawing this guy. You can even name them if you want, if you're playing with them. You can use any type of colors like pink for the hair. I drew many yellow ones like hair. You can draw brown, black, blue, any colors for the hair. It's very simple to draw them. And you just need to cut them after drawing. I love pink color, so I'm just using it. But I'm not using pink for everyone. And they look dirty with pink only. So you can use any color like purple, blue, this raw. And if you don't have peach, you can use orange lightly, orange color pencil lightly. It well turns up nice, like a peach color. See? The legs. Now you can use some turquoise for blue or turquoise for the shoes. And if you are cutting it right now, you can. I'll show you how to cut it. You need scissors for cutting it, of course. Just do it this way for now. Okay. Now you can cut them. Easy. Drew this girl's hair pink, and she looks kind of good with that. Okay, this is the way you can cut it however you want. And now, not now. Yesterday and all, I made so many with my sister's help. She also made so many. Okay, this is one. And what you need to do, you need tape for this. Take your tape. It's really hard to take tape. Okay. Now you have to okay, so it is like you need to take tape and just you need a little tape like this and cut it. And then you can take a little part of the tape, just like the girl's size of her body, and stick it on her. If you don't want the whole body to like fit in, you can take a little more and do this the other way around. And then you can just chop off the useless endings of the tape.
one is ready for that. I'm keeping her aside. And just like that, you have to do more. So just like that, you can cut it in any type of shape you want, like this, according to her hair size and all. And like this. Now you have to stick it with tape. Okay. And all these also you can like cut them and make them.
And these are some of my characters which me and my sister drew. Enjoyed our video. You can make this at your home in free time, and because of COVID-19 most of the schools are shut and you have a lot of time to make these cute characters. You can even play with them. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. If you make any of these characters, please let us know by putting in the comment box. Bye friends, see you soon.